welcome to this new Crypto Bros video. On this occasion presenting JennyCo. Let's play in this unique project. You can find all the related links down below this video. And remember that we don't give any financial advice, so please do your own research as always before investing on this project or others. Well, JennyCo, as mentioned here, is the first healthcare data exchange powered by Web3. Essentially, JennyCo will enable consumers, large companies, and brands to seamlessly share and access rich user data and insights. This will be facilitated through their novel blockchain microservice exchange called JCOX, built on Constellation's network Web 3.0 hypergraph and governed by a decentralized autonomous organization. Remember that a DAO is an online member-owned community governed by the consensus of its members instead of centralized leadership. As mentioned here, our healthcare data are valuable and estimated between $1,500 to $5,000 indeed. And the third part of all the world's generated data is healthcare related, divided into 40% generated by genetics and another 60% by lifestyle. And currently, the large institutions, insurance companies, clinics, and hospitals are those who are taking advantage of it. But thanks now to Jenny, we've got a solution, and it allows us to participate in healthcare data marketplace, which is more than a business, is a valuable way to help other people because data allow progress to be made in the medical field. So as we can read here, JennyCo is focused on correcting the imbalances in the healthcare data marketplace by supporting individual ownership of healthcare information with direct compensation. Web3 world makes the users the center point, so we decide who can or cannot access our data and which paid studies we would like to participate in. Let's see some features of this amazing project through its pitch deck, such as personalizing products, controlling our data, how to receive crypto rewards, and how to obtain valuable insights related to our health. Once in the pitch deck, we can find this change model, and essentially data buyers can create DAO pools with different parameters, and they reward data sellers with JCO native tokens for participating. And obviously, the more data that we share as sellers, the more pools we are eligible for, and the more lucrative the pools are. And if we continue, as for the key benefits, as mentioned before, we are rewarded for uploading our health data and may choose to earn even more by farming that data, which are completely secure and private thanks to an encrypted HIPAA compliant blockchain system architecture, cloud storage, and server stack. And of course, we are the users who finally decide what to do with our data, and we can delete them, store them, or fire them. We've got the control. Besides applying artificial intelligence techniques, these data are turned into real-time insights that are sent directly to us. And if we continue, these personalized insights include nutrition and diet plans, sleep optimization, caffeine metabolism, exercise recommendations, drugs, other products, behavior, and many other stuff. And as for the tokenomics, as we've explained before, we can earn tokens for uploading our data, staking these tokens in same data pool, so we can receive more tokens and purchase insights or vote in the DAO with these native tokens. For every data purchase in fiat, that is, which is not backed by a physical commodity, 80% is converted to native tokens, and 20% remaining is used to place a bid 30% under the current marketplace or paired with the tokens and added to the DEX liquidity pool. And as to the revenue model, apart from the 20% added to treasury for every purchase, there are some incomes from selling some products, services, and from the app monthly subscription fee. And we can also find the secret sauce for this successful recipe, basically the team that we will see later, contacts, databases, and patents. And here we can find the roadmap. We are right now in this late second quarter or third quarter, the new user pool with more than 100,000 students, contacts, 10,000 community, and 10,000 developers. And if we keep on moving in this pitch deck, we can see the token sale that will be distributed as follows here with this allocation, this number of tokens. Here we can also find other figures related to the private sale price, which will be between 0.06 to 0.14 over 3 raises, and we are still in time to join to this private sale. And now it's time to meet the team behind this project, because this always gives confidence, especially if it is a qualified team with a proven track record as follows. We start with Michael Nova, who is the co-founder, board member, and CEO, and has founded all the prestigious companies such as Omcare, and here we are, and Discovery Patterns Inc. Besides having awarded several prizes such as Technology Pioneer, and having more than 32 issued patents in different areas of knowledge. In the same vein, we can find Jenny Diggles, who is also co-founder and board member with another successful track record in many areas, including cryptocurrencies. Then we can find Lind Leadbetter, who is the head of token economics, and we can also find Steve Carter, who is responsible for the chief scientific officer. Then we can find on top of that some advisors such as Dragan Boskovic or Bill Owens, and finally, there are some important corporate partnerships with Constellation Network, as we've mentioned before, which is a feeless decentralized network that leverages the principles of generative economics. That is, sum is greater than the parts. Another partner is Dynamic, providing blockchain, token, and artificial intelligence development, and also Arizona State University Blockchain Group. Finally, we would like to add, if we quit this, that there is an active NFT whitelist competition. There are 10 ways more, yes, 10 ways to enter in this competition, and 5 days still left. So join their Discord, their Twitter or Telegram for more information. And that's all for now. To sum up, a unique project, definitely to pay attention. We can't wait for the launch pad and see what it can offer us in the future, which is sure to be a lot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment this video, and see you in the next one. Thanks.